I want to welcome all the new contractors that have joined the French Drayman team. We're shipping bulk coils and product all over the United States. We don't want to be in Home Depot. Our product is far too good to be in Home Depot. Home Depot wouldn't have us because they want a cheap product that they can put a really steep price on. We're setting up distributors and installers all over the United States. Contractors that have a 4 to 5 star review, they have a physical residence. We are able to do some research, do a quick background check, find out that you are a grade A contractor. If you have an impeccable 4 to 5 star rating with Google reviews, you have a physical presence in your state, and you have the ability to yard some coils to distribute to your local neighbors, we would like to bring you in. I want to welcome all the new signs from California, Georgia, Texas, the Carolinas, Kansas, New York, Rhode Island. You all know who you are. I want to thank you for joining the French Drayman team, and I want everybody to know we're trying to set up distributors all over the United States, and we're getting networked with grade A contractors. So contractors, if you're looking to save on this yard drain product, if you want to have a good quality yard drain pipe, and then you want to distribute, to your local service area, give us a call. Homeowners, call our office. Call our office at 248-505-3065 if you're looking for a contractor in your community that passes our background check, somebody that we consider to be an A-plus contractor, and we know that he's purchasing our high-quality yard drain pipes. Contractors expect a lot of referrals. When you're distributing and when you're yarding our product, we will be referring your phone number and name to all the homeowners that are looking for this service in your area. Never before has this ever been done. The yard drain industry, the yard drain service industry, has never had a representative. We don't want a union. We don't want to go that route. We don't want franchise fees. We just want to get products discounted. We want to be able to work together. We want to form an alliance. We're stronger together. All right, everybody. Until the next video.